All right, welcome back. We are going to do some more work. I have no idea what we're going to work on quite yet. I haven't really thought about it. But the nice thing is, you'll notice if I press load game, last stream, if you weren't able to catch it, we were able to get loading of games working properly with the inventory. That includes other inventories, which is nice. We can probably figure out a better way of doing this. But the nice thing is that it at least works. So if I go over here, press load game, boom, we're good. This menu thing is a little bit annoying. That's something we could do real quick, just to have something done. So when we press load game, save and load save game. What we can do is player, UI state, we have we're going to call this main menu open. Hey, Shaylay, what's up? Are you Devin, son? Yes. I'll show you what we got. I will load up the game here. So, we've made a lot of progress recently. This is the little test world that we're within. At some point, I want to make it procedural, but probably not for a while. But we have saving and loading working. How it goes? It goes well. I'm very happy with the progress right now. How about you? Good to see you again, man. By the way, I haven't chatted, but I still, when I see you're live, I always stop in at least for a little bit. I don't get to watch streams all that much these days, but recently I did see, like I always pop in for a little bit when I see you live, even if I don't chat or do anything. And it might only be for a few seconds, but I like seeing you live. That's what. Whenever I see you, or there's a couple others where, a couple other streamers where every time I see them, I gotta at least just stop in for a tiny bit. Doing all right. Kind of got injured at work yesterday though, which is making certain tasks a bit rough. Oof, that's not fun. Hopefully not too serious. Oh, let me, I almost forgot. I gotta put my links in the Discord and open up my YouTube chat so people don't think I'm ignoring them. Publish that. Okay, good. Nice. Okay. Dropped a printer we were replacing, probably 100 to 200 pounds. Oof. Thing hit and scraped my legs up on the way down. Oh man, that's no fun. Is it mostly like scrapes, or did it impact pretty hard? Like, can you walk? But yeah, as far as my most recent project, I'll give a slight tour here. We have we have saving and loading working. So now when I build things like this, they actually stick around. They don't disappear the moment you reload the game. And we've got our build system that we've had in previous games, but now it's working a lot better. We have our placeables system that's working pretty well. like being able to place down items. You know, yeah, it's coming together. Atmosphere is good. Just a flesh wound, good. Mostly just an issue when trying to turn the fan on or off in my window because my bed is in the way, so I usually support my weight on my shin knee to reach, which it hurts. Ah, okay. Yeah. Yeah, I thankfully haven't had any like injuries recently. I'm sick right now, which it doesn't really, like right now I actually feel fine, but that's mainly because I switched to, or I mean I took some basically Tylenol, I guess. Paramax, and that always helps a lot. Plus I got a lot of caffeine in me. But I know in a few hours it's gonna wear off and then I'm gonna start feeling a little achy, but otherwise I'm doing fine. Oh, what was I gonna do? I was gonna do, so we have escape. Okay. We'll do toggle main menu. We'll do global.playervar.close all UI. Then we will do all of this. Value, which is a boolean. We can do this here, toggle main menu with the opposite. That right there. Okay, if that's true, then we do this. Main menu open, else we do that. Close all UI. What does that do? Crafting menu makes all of these false. Okay. I guess let's try this. Nice. Oh, then we have some issues with the, okay. Scene manager, it needs to do this. Else, closed. Oh, this needs to be value. I think this will do it. Okay, can still look around. Oh. Now I can't. Okay, that doesn't quite work. This closes all UI. Toggle main menu false, I guess. Oh, weird. Close all UI isn't really being used anywhere, right? Ah, it's only being used there. Okay. So we could do toggle inventory. I guess what I could do is if global.playervar.ui or current UI state equals we can do something like this. Oh, we got an ad starting in 20 seconds, just a heads up. Okay, let's load game. Nice. Open this, go to here, go like that. Okay, nice. Still good. Okay. We do need like a much better state management for this UI. We're gonna go to our input actions. Toggle inventory. Build menu visible equals true, then we do this. This is just build menu, so current UI state equals player.UI state dot main menu open. Yeah, this is bad. We need for the need to search for this. Brian, what's up? Hey there, I'm back. Do you use any other engine for game dev? No, actually, I've really only ever used Godot in reality. Like, I think we're actually good here because okay, nice. But yeah, I've barely touched like Unity, barely, and that was a long time ago. But I've gotten to the point with Godot where I don't really feel the need to, like, it does what I want it to do, what I need it to do. Okay, nice. What happens if I do this? Do it like that, then it becomes crafting bench 2. That's interesting. It's kind of fine. No jobs for Godot developers. I feel like switching to Unity or Unreal. Yeah, I would say if you're trying to get a job, then Unity or Unreal is the way to go. Yeah. If you're looking for a job, because I don't really know. I mean, there are Godot jobs, but they're just way less common. And so it's just a lot. It would be a lot harder to find one, for sure. Yeah, if that's what you're looking for, I mean, it would be good to still know, like, well, it would just be good to know Unity or Unreal in general. Like, I wish I knew at least a little bit, because I'm sure there would be projects that eventually I want to do that maybe Unity or Unreal would be better for. So it's useful knowledge either way. And you could still use Godot. Like, for me, I'm not trying to get a job, I'm trying to just build my own games, so it's, you know, it's a little easier to just use whatever I feel comfortable with, you know. One thing I need to do, item scene. Let's look at this. We have our player save dictionary. Let's go here. I'm going to paste all this in. Obviously, this does not need to be like this. We can grab here, go like that. This can be item resource path for loading the data back in from JSON. This is not going to be exported. It's going to be string. Where's our resource path? It's right there. Okay. Item resource path equals item dot resource path.